To solve this program, you need to observe two things. First, that all of the grid almost is an empty grid, except this diagonal and this diagonal. And this takes us to the second question. How to figure out that the current ij position is a diagonal? We have two ones, the left diagonal and the right diagonal. This diagonal is very easy. To be at this position, you need the I to be equal j. So every time the I equal j, we know that we are definitely at this diagonal, so we need to print the diagonal here. And then this diagonal is very systematic also. We can find it with simple equation. If n minus I minus 1 equal j, this also another diagonal. Please take n like n5 and then or 7, and then make sure that these values will generate the current diagonal. So overall of the story, we need nested two loops, and then we need to check if this is the left diagonal or right diagonal. If this is the case, we print star, otherwise we print nothing. That's all.